the day after the snowstorm.
I introduce you to the Coco Show, the entertaining Coco Show. What do you buy, you choose? Proudly presented by Coco.
Welcome back, everyone. Today it is February 22nd. It is Monday. Brand new week for the vlogs. Now I'm on my way to Food Basics once again because I couldn't do it this weekend because it was just jam-packed. Like I said in last week's vlog, it was just so busy, crazy, the big lineup at the cash. So I thought I'd just wait until Monday and then go to Food Basics. Probably be less busy because, you know, everyone's gone to work, everyone's at school. So we're heading to Food Basics. Welcome back, everyone. Now we just got done at Food Basics. Now we're at Wendy's. Wendy's, of course, to get the ultimate grill chicken sandwich. And welcome back, everyone. Just came back from Wendy's. Ultimate grill chicken sandwich, lemonade. I'll be reviewing for you all, and you guys will see those reviews. The ultimate chicken sandwich should be up by the time you see this. It's going to be up by Friday, and the lemonade should be up by next week. So stay tuned. Welcome back, everyone. Today it is Wednesday. I just got done putting up my Wednesday food review. So if you guys still haven't seen that video, I'll link that link in the description. So feel free to check that out after watching this vlog. But today it is February 24th, like I said, Wednesday. And it's a very rainy day. And I'm hoping we get some snow out of all this rain. But, you know, knowing that we barely got any snow this year, I don't think we're going to be getting snow. I think this is going to be sticking with rain, which is okay, but, you know, I'm sick and tired of rain. I want snow. So my question to you guys is, right now, February 24th, what is the weather like in your area? I know you guys are going to watch this on Sunday, which will be a few days later, but I want to know still, what is the weather like right now, February 24th, Wednesday, in your area? Leave me your comments in the comment section below. Welcome back, everyone. Today it is February 25th. It is Thursday, and I welcome you guys back to this week's vlog. It is snowing. Finally, we got some snow, and we're in this little miniature snowstorm, if you can believe it. Finally, Chatham, we're finally getting some snow. A snowstorm. This is pretty much our first snowstorm in 2016. And it's funny though, it's roughly the end of February and we're getting the snowstorm. Yesterday it rained all day. It stopped around late last night, evening, and then this snow started around 2 a.m. this morning, and it's been snowing since. I think we got at least, I have to roughly estimate around 5 to 10 centimeters, which is good. I ain't complaining. My hands are cold, but I love it. Snowstorm, we're finally getting it. I hope we get more next week. They're calling for more snow next week. 90% chance.
Your weary soul to rest. Yeah, I will try to do my best to keep you safe inside this nest and keep your gravity from pulling you to earth. I'd like to say this gets more clear when it's more cloudy every day, but summer's gonna come and burn the stormy clouds and all the doubt away. Sleep, little girl, 'cause when you wake
Welcome back, everyone. Today it is February 26th. It is Friday, the day after the snowstorm. And we pretty much got at least 5 centimeters, maybe more. So I'm happy we got finally some snow. That's what we needed. We needed snow. It was winter, and it felt like that we were living in Florida with no snow whatsoever. The freezing temperatures, but no snow. So I can't say that it's like Florida, because Florida is really hot. So it was like, I don't know, I can't really compare places. How is everyone's Thursday? No, not Thursday. How's everyone's Friday going? Leave me your comments in the comment section below on what you guys are doing this weekend.
Different world. So close your eyes and say goodbye to spring. It's true, the spring is coming to an end. You're not that fragile anymore. I know what's there behind that door, and it's just waiting in the wings to pull you in. I know you think you're safe in here inside these insulated walls, but I can't hold this house together, not forever, yeah, and soon it's gonna fall. Sleep, little girl, 'cause when you wake it's gonna be a different world. Everything will change. Everything will change. The door's slamming shut.
Welcome back, everyone. I'm currently going to Food Basics now. Today is February 27th. It is Saturday, and I welcome you guys back to this week's vlog. Welcome back, everyone. I just came out of Food Basics. I would have filmed, but there was a lot of people in Food Basics today. It's busy. You guys probably can tell, the whole parking lot's all taken. So it was a lot of people in there today. Shopping day. Today's Saturday, of course. Saturday's always, of course, the day of shopping. Welcome back, everyone. I'm at my computer, and I just got done drinking my coffee. I won a donut by rolling up the rim. This year, so far, I've won about 6 to 7 times, which is pretty good, because any other years, I've probably won not more than 2 or 3 times. So this year is my good luck year, and I won about 6 to 7 times. I think I won about 4 coffees and 2 or 3 donuts. So I'm glad. And my girlfriend won like a few donuts. So I think we got about 6 donuts we've won so far, and we've saved them all. So when it comes to a day that we want to have donuts with the family, at least we would have like a half dozen for free. Which is always good, you know. With these roll-up tabs, they work in many ways. When you're having a party, you want to have donuts. At least that way you can save your money and you get free donuts. But what do you guys all won anyways? If you guys have participated in the roll-up the rims, how many wins have you won so far? Leave me your comments in the comment section below. So I hope you guys did enjoy this week's vlog. I did a little bit more vlogging this week than last week, so I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you guys did, show your support by giving a thumbs up, subscribe for more vlogs to come, and all my links to my social media will be in the description like always, so you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for upcoming reviews, vlogs, and weight loss videos. And like last week, I will leave a 2-minute survey in the description, so feel free to check it out after watching this video. All your feedback is very much appreciated, so I do thank you very much. So until next week, peace out.
Coco Show. You have watched Coco. Thanks for watching.